Hi, this is Nicole Ryla coming to you live from ASD Market Week here at ASD Live. And joining me today is Crystal Volkaitis, and we are going to be talking about all things social media.
Hello everybody, I'm Crystal Volkaitis, owner of Social Edge and retail social media expert.
So Crystal, as we look ahead into the crystal ball, so to speak, what can you tell us about social media and what retailers really need to do to stay ahead of what's happening?
Okay, so it's all about bots. We have to be using bots. We have to just, for now, you can be thinking about how can a bot help support my online marketing efforts. So should I elaborate on a bot?
Okay. Because I don't know if everyone knows what a bot is.
Right, so probably not. So a bot is a software that talks and interacts in a chat box. So for retailers, think about Messenger on Facebook. More and more consumers are turning to Messenger to ask questions, product information, price, hours, things like that. So if you have a bot that's controlling that conversation, responding back to people, frees up the retailer's time so they can focus on the business and the conversation is still happening. You can take it a step further and sell products right through Messenger, all through a bot, or track orders too.
I love that. It's so efficient when you're trying to connect with the customer and really capture that attention right away.